everyone, it's Jared from Drumeo here. Let's face it, drums aren't the most convenient instrument to play. They're really heavy, they're loud, and they take up so much space in your house, almost more than all the other instruments combined. And the result of this is dinged up walls in your beautiful home, angry neighbors that are frustrated with all the noise, and a really sore back from having to lug around all the equipment. So I decided to do something about it. We tested thousands of different types of wood. We experimented with electronic drum pads, and after all of this testing, we feel like we found the perfect solution for drummers. It wasn't easy, and we really had to think outside of the box. But we feel like we've stumbled upon this one resource that's readily available as well as eco-friendly, and it's pliable enough to be molded into these cylinders that we call drums. Chemically speaking, it's nitrogen and oxygen, but to me and you, it's the sweet, sweet sound of air. The DrumeoAIR kit comes in 3 distinct colors that will reflect your unique personality on the drums. Check out this incredible 5-piece Starlight Sparkle kit. Or we have this 4-piece Sunny Sapphire drum set. And here we have the monster mega 14-piece kit in a beautiful ocean blue. So now you've seen how they look, but what's more important than how they look is how they sound. So let's take a listen. Sounds amazing, right? Made with your choice of Himalayan mountain air to give you that light ethereal sound, or Midwestern air for that strong and hearty punch, or you could check out the Subterranean Cave Air kit, which gives you this nice strong bottom end. So now let's hear from some of our Drumeo coaches, and they can share some of their thoughts on the all-new DrumeoAIR kit.
Hey everyone, Todd Zuckerman here. There's a lot of drums in this room, there always has been. You know, they take up a lot of room, you gotta dust them off, take care of them, tweak and polish them, and they're heavy. So I was very excited when Jared was talking about DrumeoAIR, and well, here it is.
Setup is a breeze. Teardown is literally nothing at all. It's so unbelievable. So take a look. Isn't that great? They fit right in the corner so well.
It's gonna blow your mind. It's so light. Get yourself some DrumeoAIR drums today. Trust me, it will change your life like it did mine.
We've also revolutionized shipping with the DrumeoAIR kit. We ship it fully set up so you can get started playing in seconds. What does this kit cost? The answer is yes! The DrumeoAIR kit comes with our industry-leading 90-day money-back guarantee and our world-class customer support team to help you with any struggles you have along your drumming journey.
Hello, thank you for calling.
Yeah, what's your problem? You literally just sent me a box of air. Like, seriously, what the f?
Yeah, so you're gonna love this revolutionary new product. Call today and order your DrumeoAIR kit and we'll have it shipped immediately.
I am so excited to use my DrumeoAIR. I was pretty skeptical at first. I mean, it said they had same-day shipping and that it came completely pre-assembled. That's insane. I didn't have to do anything. Even the crash and the ride, everything was just in the perfect spot, right for my height.
It's here, it's here. The hardware quality is even better than I expected. Oh, I almost tripped over it.
You're not gonna believe what I just got. You see that? Oh my gosh. It's so nice.
But wait, there's more. Call today and we'll ship you 1 pair of our all-new DrumeoAIR drumsticks. They're lightweight and they're the most durable stick on the market. They have a beautiful acorn tip and a 45-degree taper. They're gonna feel light in your hands. They're gonna make your drums sound amazing. So go ahead and order your DrumeoAIR kit today.